Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from USAA Bank using mobile check deposit approvals, full guide step by step clearly. Open the USAA mobile app on your smartphone. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Deposit tab on the main screen. Select Mobile Check Deposit from the options available. Ensure you have your check ready to be deposited. Tap on Deposit a Check to start the process. Choose the account where you want the funds to be deposited. Enter the amount written on the check. Next, take a clear picture of the front of the check. Position the check within the designated guidelines on your screen. After capturing the front image, tap Use this photo. Now, take a photo of the back of the check. Make sure to endorse the check with your signature before taking the photo. Review both images to ensure they are clear and legible. If everything looks good, tap on Submit Deposit. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your deposit request is being processed. Keep an eye on your account balance to confirm the funds are available. Check the mobile app for any updates on the status of your deposit. If you encounter any issues, refer to the app's help section or contact customer service for assistance. Remember, the funds may take some time to become available based on USAA's deposit policies. Following these steps will ensure a smooth experience with mobile check deposits at USAA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.